Hello everybody. It is December the 2nd of 2019 and we're cleaning up the house. And the nice thing is that this is the very first day for Janelle to vacuum the carpet on her own. This is something new. She's learning now. So now Daddy doesn't have to vacuum the carpet no more. Right, Janelle? Yeah. Look at her. She's got the vacuum out. And she's getting ready. I'm going to turn it on here. Here we go. Show us how you can vacuum, baby. Wow. I don't have to vacuum the carpet anymore. My baby knows how to do it. Yeah. Good job, honey. Come on. Wow, you got it. Wow, isn't she getting big now? Are you having fun, honey?
Yeah.
That's great, huh? You like to vacuum the carpet?
Yeah.
Good job, baby. Nice.